interesting question. Jeez.
So do you know the biggest advantage of living vegan?
Why wouldn't you shake my hand?
It's exploiting other animals.
How I feel about it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's shitty.
So would you agree that animals should be respected?
That animals should be respected, yeah.
Yeah. So can you truly respect animals if you still exploit them for their flesh, their milk, their eggs, or other purposes?
Yeah, I guess not.
No.
If it was human beings over there, it would be different.
Yeah. And I mean, they feel the same way than us, right? Like us, right? They want to be free. They don't want to be exploited. They don't want to be killed. Do you live in this contradiction? Do you still consume meat, milk, eggs, cheese, leather, fur?
I do.
Yeah. So, do you know the solution for this contradiction?
Different diet, I guess.
Live vegan. And veganism is not a diet. It's a principle that humans should live without exploiting other animals. And that involves changing your diet, of course, not consuming meat, milk, and eggs, but also like for clothing. Don't buy fur, leather, wool, and don't go into zoos and circuses because their animals are also made into products. Yeah. So do you know the biggest advantage of living vegan?
The advantages of it?
Yeah.
No.
No. So first of all, you would no longer be the reason animals are exploited. And the second, you can say that you respect animals without being a hypocrite, right? Aren't these two good reasons to make a change?
I mean, it's an individual change
Yeah.
that each one of us can make, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's something that I can do well.
What do you feel is stopping you from changing, from respecting animals?
Misinformation. Misinformation.
What do you mean by that?
Misinformation or lack of information.
Lack of.
Yeah.
Yeah. So considering that, I mean, it's understandable today that there's not so many vegans in society, that it might be harder to really get it from your normal sources. But if you do a little bit of research, if you go onto vegan pages, and I can give you a resource card later if you like, there you can find easy ways for vegan recipes, vegan alternatives in every kind of way. So what I want to say is, the most important thing is not only like finding the information, the most important thing is to know why to do it. And you probably don't want to be a human who is responsible for that, right?
I guess not.
So if you would have the information, would you be vegan then?
I mean, I guess I could be a vegan
Then
in
ask.
a way, in whichever way I can now with the information that I have in hand.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean that I'm gonna do a good job at the first time, but it's important to suck at it first.
To what?
To suck at it first. Whatever you do new, you will suck at it, right?
Yeah, but I mean the basics are pretty simple to pay attention to. Like normal things, don't buy meat anymore, milk and eggs. Look on the packaging before you buy something in order to understand if there's something inside where animal exploitation is involved.
Yeah.
But the thing is, what you have to ask yourself, if you were one of these animals, what would be your only wish towards this human?
Ooh, that is an interesting question. Jeez. I have no idea.
Something like, please respect me, please don't exploit me, please let me be free, now. You agree?
To be fair, I don't know.
Yeah.
Like, maybe it would be one of those.
Yeah. Because if you were in this position, someone wants to kill you, you also would want the same. Just don't do it. Just leave him alone, right?
Right.
So considering that you don't want to be a hypocrite, I can give you information in order to do it, and you don't want to be the reason that this is happening, and you understand the animals want to be free now, how many animals from now on have to be exploited because of you? Should it be 0 or more?
The less as possible, I guess.
So 0?
Less as possible.
0 is possible.
I'm not sure about that, but less as possible.
Okay, then I want to give you the card. This is information about like how to adopt this, how to put it into action. And that is the thing, like watch this documentary again and ask yourself if you would still pay for this, what kind of human would it make you? And if you don't like to be this human, find the options and solutions. Okay? Bye. Oliver. Vegan now?
Full stop.
Because out of respect for your victims, I just want to shake your hand if you declare to not be the reason anymore for this. You understand that?
Yeah, I understand. But why wouldn't you shake my hand?
That's what I explained. Out of respect of your victims. I ask you if you want to still victimize them or if you want to live vegan now. And you said you want to do your best least. But the thing is, if you would say that you don't want to be the reason anymore that this is happening, that you're actively deciding that this is not happening anymore for you, then I want to shake your hand and say, okay, I understand now that you want to respect animals in the future. So you want to respect animals in the future from now on?
Yeah.
Then have a nice vegan day.